Welcome.
Thank you.
So, what are your impressions about the event so far?
Yeah, it's been really good. It's been really interesting to see people from both lots of different markets all around the world, but also from all the different spectres of agency, of media owner, of tech vendor, of clients. All together perspectives all in one place, which is really interesting.
So, what do you plan to learn from the panels in this event? What do you want to take home from it?
I think I've taken away that everyone has agreed that everyone is responsible for the likes of brand safety. No one's saying, oh no, it's that person's job, or it's not my job, it's their job. So I think people are taking it very seriously, and it's good to see that, obviously in my own agency we take things very seriously, but it's good to see that at all levels, more and more people are taking it more seriously.
And it's more collaborative.
Yeah, and as I say, as a collaboration, not as just you look after it, we wipe our hands.
So, I have one last question. What are the emerging opportunities and threats for brands in today's digital environment? Except for brand safety, maybe.
So what are the threats for brands, specifically in the digital space,
or any other space?
With the level of the pace of change, everything growing, at a rapid pace, new platforms being added all the time. It's just a case of making sure that you're all across those platforms, or knowing which ones to go to, which ones to avoid, or making sure that a new platform comes along you think it's got a good audience, it's relevant, and making sure that, like say, the media solution is up to standard as well.
Thank you very much.